AI Engine, Power of Deep Neural Network, DNN, Video for Management. Executive Summary. This animated video visually represents the architecture and operation of a deep neural network, DNN, model with 9 input nodes, 7 hidden layers, each with 2 neurons, and 15 output nodes. It's tailored for decision makers to understand the predictive power, structure, and applicability of DNNs across various business domains, not just from a technical lens, but a strategic and operational perspective. Key management takeaways. 1. Multi-domain input handling, 9 inputs. Each input neuron symbolizes a business domain or data source, example sales, HRMS, inventory, healthcare, etc. For management, this reflects how diverse enterprise systems can be integrated using a unified AI model. Enables cross-functional decision intelligence, a hallmark of digital transformation. 2. Deep thinking engine, 7 hidden layers. The 7 hidden layers simulate how the AI processes inputs deeply and in stages. Initial layers may filter noise or perform basic reasoning. Middle layers learn patterns and correlations. Later layers consolidate features into high-level decision factors. From a management view, this represents organizational intelligence like layers of analysis performed by departments, analysts, and consultants. 3. Vibrant connectivity and animation. The animation emphasizes how every input neuron is linked across multiple layers to every output, mirroring how AI evaluates all dimensions of data before making predictions. It communicates transparency and nonlinear, interconnected decision logic, which contrasts with rigid rule-based systems. 4. Strategic insights from 15 outputs. The 15 output neurons signify diverse business goals or decisions. Forecasts, sales, demand, cost. Risk evaluations, fraud, churn, stockout. Performance scores, efficiency, quality, engagement. Each output becomes a target metric or KPI that management can monitor and optimize using AI. 5. Scalability and adaptability. The modular design showcases that DNNs can scale with business complexity. Management can start small and expand the model as new departments or variables are integrated. 6. Visual intuition and AI literacy. For non-technical executives, the video helps demystify AI by visualizing what happens inside the black box. This aids AI adoption, governance, and stakeholder alignment, key to successful AI transformation. Use cases for management. Department application example. Sales conversion likelihood prediction. HRMS attrition risk detection. Finance budget deviation forecasting. Inventory reorder automation using demand signals. Production downtime prediction, process optimization. Customer service complaint resolution time estimation. For top management. The architect's thought offers a compelling vision of AI as a strategic enabler rather than just a technical system. By presenting deep neural networks as intelligent, layered decision frameworks, Pradeep Kesuri reframes AI from complex code into a powerful tool for enterprise foresight and competitive advantage. This perspective equips top leadership to leverage AI confidently, not just for automation, but for orchestrating strategic transformation, fostering trust, alignment, and future-ready decision-making at the highest levels. Advantage to management, AI-powered leadership. The architect's thought offers a compelling vision of AI-powered leadership, where deep neural networks are viewed not merely as technical engines but as strategic decision frameworks. By translating AI into an enterprise-level capability for foresight, adaptability, and intelligent action, Pradeep Kesuri empowers top management to lead with data-driven confidence. This shift enables leaders to move beyond automation, using AI to drive strategic transformation, accelerate innovation, and align the organization toward future-ready goals, ultimately positioning AI as a trusted ally in the boardroom. Brain final thought. The architect. This visual model is more than just neural math, it is a strategic blueprint. When management understands how intelligence is synthesized across layers and domains, they are empowered to lead transformation with confidence. Pradeep Kesuri. Thanks for watching the video.